In manufacturing, protecting components during production is key to maintaining product quality. So in this video, we'll explain what low-tack protective films are, why they're useful in production, and how they can improve efficiency and product performance. A low-tack protective film is an easily removable film used to protect surfaces or hold parts in place temporarily during production or transportation. Its low bonding strength ensures that it clings to surfaces but can be removed without leaving behind adhesive residue, making it ideal for protecting delicate surfaces and facilitating automated processes. Using a low-tack protective film in production can provide several benefits, but the main benefits that we see are the prevention of scratches. It acts as a protective layer, shielding sensitive or delicate surfaces from scratches or damage during handling, storage, or transport. Next, there is no adhesive residue. The film's mild adhesive does not leave behind sticky residue, which prevents damage to the surface of the product. Third is the ability to hold parts in place. It helps keep components organized, particularly in sheeted parts, ensuring they stay in place during production and are dispensed in an orderly fashion. Lastly is the automated production. Low-tack films are useful in automation by keeping die-cut parts on a roll fixed until machines can easily slide or pluck them off during manufacturing. The decision to use protective film should be based on whether the advantages like preventing damage, simplifying automation, and avoiding adhesive residue outweigh the additional costs involved. Consulting with an experienced converter will help determine if using a low-tack protective film is necessary for improving your product's production process. If you have any questions about low-tack liners or the converting process, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.